Okay. Last class we had discussed something about logical connectors. Okay. If my voice get breaks or if video is not clear, just ping me immediately. Okay. So here in the last class, basically we discussed the logical connectors. What are the logical connectors? Especially we had discussed two important things. One is the NOT gate, and second one is that is negation we had discussed, and we had discussed the AND gate, that is conjunction. We had discussed the conjunction. So in today's class we will discuss few more logical connectors which are there. So in today's class I will be discussing the first topic, that is disjunction. As we know, or as we have studied in the last class, that negation is nothing but it is similar to the NOT gate, and we have also studied the conjunction. Okay, and we also studied the conjunction which is similar to the AND gate. We have studied. So in today's class we will be studying, definitely we have studied AND gate. What is remaining? OR gate is remaining. So here OR gate, basically it is given by a name here as disjunction. OR gate, it is given by a name called as disjunction. It is similar to OR gate. Okay, it is similar to OR gate here. AND gate is what? AND gate was about conjunction. Okay, whereas OR gate, it is all about what? Disjunction here. So here, what is the meaning of a disjunction? Okay, here it is similar to the OR gate. Okay, now we will see the truth table. Okay, we will see here the truth table, considering here two prepositions. Again, what is the preposition? Preposition is nothing but it is a statement or a declaration. Okay, it is a statement or a declaration which can be true or it can be false. Okay, proposition, it is nothing but a statement which can be true or it can be a false. So here, considering here two prepositions, one is small p and small q. Always remember, always we need to remember that prepositions will be written in the small letters. Okay, prepositions will be written in the small letters. So here we need to remember that prepositions are written in a small letter. Considering here two prepositions p and q, the symbol for disjunction is, see here, V. The symbol for disjunction is V. As we had studied in the conjunction, okay, as we had studied in the conjunction was represented something like this, right? Conjunction was cap, I said cap, something called as cap, whereas disjunction is represented as V. Reverse of conjunction is nothing but what for us? It is disjunction. So here we came to know that the symbol for disjunction is V here. So I represent this to be P disjunction Q. Or to simply make you easy, let me tell you, okay, to make it simply make you easy, let me tell you, remember that conjunction is represented as cap. Cap andre hinga. Okay, reverse V. Conjunction is cap, whereas disjunction is V. So ee tara ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಿ? Conjunction is cap. Okay, cap means what? This is cap. Okay, whereas disjunction is V. Both are reversed to each other. Conjunction and disjunction are reversed to each other. Okay, now we came to know that P and Q we have, and the symbol for disjunction is V. Now we'll solve the truth table. Everybody, we are familiar with the OR gate, right? We are familiar with the OR gate. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay. So here, coming to the OR gate, what is 0 0? 0 0 was 0, 0 1 was 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. This is our simple OR gate. Now, with this truth table, I need to define Okay, with this truth table, I need to define what is the disjunction. What is actually disjunction? I told you in the last class, remember, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು definition define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you need to see which is the unique one. Which is the unique one we need to see here. If you consider this truth table, okay, if you consider this truth table, only we have 1 0, we have 3 1s. We have 1 0 and we have 3 1s. So what is unique here? This is unique, whereas these 3 are same. This is unique, whereas these 3 are same here. So how I need to define? How I need to define here? A disjunction, it is one of the logical connectives. Okay, it is one of the logical connectives, basically, where two propositions andre yavili? One is P and other one is Q. Two propositions, one is P and other one is Q. They are connected to each other using OR word. They are connected using OR word. I'll show you how they are connected using statements. So basically, a disjunction, it is one of the logical connectives where P disjunction Q will be false. This is false. This is true. This is true. This is true. 0 means false. 1 means true, as we are familiar. Okay. So this P disjunction Q, basically it is described as P disjunction Q will be 0 when P is 0 and when Q is 0. Okay, when P is 0 and Q is 0. Whereas in the other case, okay, it will be true. So here I have only 1 0, here I have 3 1s. So how I need to define here? Yavada unique kada namga, which I have here unique. That thing I need to consider here. Okay. So here I have what here? I have a 0. Okay. I have here what? 0. So P disjunction Q, basically it is defined as that type of a logical connective. Okay. It is defined as that type of a logical connective where the value will be 0 or false. You can take both. False antru anbodu, 0 antanu anbodu. Okay. The value will be false or the value will be 0 when both preposition P and Q are 0, whereas for rest of the cases it will be true. Conjunction again antodi now, what we had studied in conjunction, the value will be true only when P is true and for Q is true, whereas here the value will be false when P is false and Q is false, whereas the rest of the cases it will be true. So which is unique? Take that for your definition. So first and the foremost point, what is the thing here you need to remember? The two prepositions are connected with the word OR. OR means what here? We. Okay, done. Similarly, it works for an AND gate. Okay, it works as an AND gate. No doubt, in our discrete mathematical structures, we used to take only here in our digital logic. Okay, if you compare digital logic, we used to take just 0, 1 and just truth table ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಿ. Whereas in our discrete mathematical structure, truth table ಜೊತೆಗೆ we need to set an example statement. For example, √2 is a rational number, 3 is a prime number. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು examples ನ set ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ truth table ಬರೆದ್ವಿ marks ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Examples ಅಂದ್ರೆ we need to give with a statement. So this is, I think this is clear. Whether this is clear, everybody, just raise your hands if this is clear. Okay, fine. So this is the OR gate. ಇವಾಗ examples ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು. Okay, we'll see with the examples. Fine. Example ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Statement ಬರ್ದು, like whether 2 is a rational number, 3 is a prime number, Bangalore is in Karnataka. These are examples. Another one thing, you may have a question, madam ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, like statements ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, you can take examples of your own. No problem. Okay, you can take examples of your own, but minimum ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ knowledge ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 prime number ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ, 2 prime number ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, rational number ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, irrational number ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, real number ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಈ ತರ Svalpadra knowledge idra better. You can take examples of your own. Okay. For me, in textbook what they have given, I will give those examples. You can take while solving the exam. While solving any of a problem, you can take examples of your own. That is not a problem. Okay. But that is okay. Okay ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ರು. Okay, fine. I think many are not raising hands. Whether you have kept the phone aside? I'm watching here, everybody's. Okay. Now, example. P. I take here proposition P. Root 2 is again same example, is a irrational number. Okay. Root 2 is a irrational number. Next, Q. 9 is a prime number. Okay. I will take just these two examples and I will explain. Now, or else another one I will take better. R. All triangles are equilateral. Okay. Now, here they have given us an example of three proposition. P, Q, R andreno. P one proposition, Q one proposition, R is another proposition. You true adru irbodu, false adru irbodu. Now we'll judge whether these are true or whether these are false and then solve here. First, P. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Hangantandrenu root 2 is a irrational number. Basically, irrational numbers are those type of numbers which doesn't include fraction. Fraction iralla. Bare root 2 athwa root square roots naga irrational numbers irtav namaga. So here root 2 is a irrational number. This is true. This proposition is true. This proposition is true. Next. 9 is a prime number. Second statement, 9 is a prime number. Whether 9 is a prime number? No, 9 is not a prime number because 9 into 1 9 bartuda, 3 into 3 9 bartuda. So it is not a proposition. So this is false. 9 is not a prime. 9 is a prime number. It is a false statement. All triangles are equilateral. Whether this is true? Whether all triangles are equilateral? No. Some of the triangles will be scalar, some will be isosceles triangles, some will be any other triangles. So, all triangles are not equilateral and are not compulsory to be equilateral. So, even this statement is false. Even this statement is false. The first statement is true, second is false, third is also false. Second is false and third is also false. Someone have messaged me. Okay. Some internet problem is there. Okay. So here we came to know now three statements. One is about, one is true, another one is false, and another one is also false. Now we'll see here. P disjunction Q. Okay, P disjunction Q, Q disjunction R. Another one thing, we are studying now the topic called as what? Disjunction. So, in examples, no, I need to consider here examples as disjunction only. Okay, so here, first statement, P disjunction Q. Okay, first is what? P disjunction Q. Now, what is P here? what is P here? Or else I'll write here. P disjunction Q on the disjunction quaternum garu. Okay. Now what is P here? Root 2 is a irrational number. IRN anta baritin. In shortcut I am writing IRN as irrational number. Okay, due to space. Then what is this here? V. V is what for us? V is nothing but disjunction or. Compulsory or ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Compulsory you need to put here or. Okay, otherwise there is no meaning for disjunction. So root 2 is a irrational number, first statement, or ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Because disjunction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Or ನಮ್ಗ. Disjunction is nothing but or. Next, what they have given here? Q. What is Q here? 9 is a prime number. ಅದೇನದ ಅದೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಲ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, 9 is a prime number. Pn ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, 9 is a prime number. Next, Q disjunction R. Next I will take down Q disjunction R. Okay, what is Q? 9 is a prime number. What is Q? 9 is a prime number. Okay, Q is nothing but 9 is a prime number. Next, what I have here? V. V is nothing but or. Or. What is R here? What is R here? R is all triangles are equilateral anta koಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮಗೆ. All triangles are equilateral. All triangles are equilateral. Okay, so here just they have given us here two conjunctions. One is P conjunction Q, second is disjunction P disjunction Q and Q disjunction R. I am going to repeat here. P ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಏನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಇವು ಮೂರು whatever you wish you can take. Like you can take Bangalore is in Karnataka, any of the declarations, ಮತ್ತೆ incomplete sentence ಅಲ್ಲ, any of the declaration you can take here. Okay, P root 2 is a irrational number. Q anything, you can take 3 sentences. Then P disjunction Q. What is P here? Root 2 is a irrational number is P. Or ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ? Because this is disjunction. Q is 9 is a prime number. Similarly, Q disjunction R. Q is nothing but what? 9 is a prime number, or R is what? All triangles are equal. So in ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು first, whenever you take any of the three statements or 4 statements, yes statements ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೋರಿ. Then after taking that, ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ P disjunction Q disjunction R. You need to okay, one second. Whether my voice is audible or getting struck? Whether my voice is audible? Whether my voice is audible now? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so here someone has messaged that root 2 is a rational number. Ma'am, it's not a irrational, it is itself irrational number only. This is correct. Okay, I think you have got confused. Someone have written, madam, root 2 is rational number already, irrational ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ. No, root 2 is irrational only. Okay, I think you have got confused. Fine. So here P disjunction Q, I have written the statements. Okay, I have written the statements. So once you have written the statements, now we need to judge what is the result of this P disjunction Q. Whether this P disjunction Q, whether it is true or whether it is false. We need to P disjunction Q and Q disjunction R. We need to judge whether these are whether these are rational number or whether these are irrational number. Okay, sorry, whether these are true or whether these are false. Sorry. Now, root 2 is a irrational number on the quarter. This is true. True andre ಏನು 1. This is true. Okay. And 9 is a prime number. What is 9 is a prime number? It is false. False andre 0. Next. 9 is a prime number, false, it is 0. Then all triangles are equilateral. This is also false. 0. Just have written above. You will be confused. Okay. So root 2 is a irrational number. This is true. That is 1. 9 is a prime number. It is 0. This is 0 and this is also 0. Okay. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 0. Okay. True idre 1 anta hakri. False idre 0. Okay. If true is there, put it as 1. If false is there, put it as 0. 1 second. Okay. Now, what is 1 disjunction 0? What is 1 disjunction 0, or what is when you consider the OR gate? If you consider this to be a OR gate P, Q, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is P disjunction Q. 0, 0 is 0, rest are 1, 1, 1. Because it is OR gate. Okay. Because it is OR gate. So, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now what I have got here? 1, 0. 1 disjunction 0 is what? 1, 0. What is the result here? 1. So its result is 1. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು OR gate. No doubt in that. Only OR gate. But ಆ OR gate ನ ನೀವು ಆ OR gate ನ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ OR gate. ಏನ್ OR gate ಅದ ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ OR gate ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 9 is the prime number 0. All triangles are equilateral 0. That is, this is 0. OR is what here? Disjunction. OR is disjunction. Sorry, I have written wrong here. It is disjunction 0. 0 disjunction 0 is what for us? What is 0 disjunction 0? It is nothing but 0 here. It is 0 again. So here, sentence use ಮಾಡಿ, we need to write the result here. Concept is OR gate only. Sentence ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ examples. It can be two sentence ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಸಾಕು. You can write only 2 sentences. Then show what is the result. What is the result of P disjunction Q? What is the result of Q disjunction R? So now what is the result I've got? P disjunction Q is. So I've got here P disjunction Q is value I have got it as what? True, and Q disjunction R I have got it as false. False, and here I have got true. So this is how you need to solve the example. But basically in exam they will be asking us what is the disjunction, give the truth table and its definition. Examples anta kelidre ashte you can go for statements when they ask about examples. If they don't ask examples, it is better not to write any of the examples. Just they will be asking what is disjunction, give its definition and its truth table. explain anta kotre 5 marks iga athwa enadru kotre explain with the examples in detail anta kotra you can go with examples. Okay, but remember truth value of this is 1, truth value of this is 0. Okay, truth value, whoever has attended the first class you will be knowing what is truth value. Truth value antandre just truth alladu. Okay, truth value is not just true. True iddadana true antada truth value, false iddadana false. Truth, if sentence is true, truth value is 1. If sentence is false, truth value is 0. So this is about 3 basic things or logical connectives we have studied till now. Regarding it can be regarding negation, it can be disjunction, it can be conjunction. So next, after this we will be going with the next type of a logical. Basic are 3, but another 3 are there. Okay, logical connectives we need to study. Another 3 we need to study. So the next one is exclusive disjunction. Okay. Exclusive. Okay, exclusive disjunction, as the name itself says. Okay, exclusive disjunction, as the name itself says, it is a disjunction. Disjunction andre enu ivaga odidvalla, that is nothing but disjunction. But here with a slight difference. Okay, with slight difference. We'll see what it is. It is represented as P disjunction Q. Illenada namaga we have exclusive. Exclusive iga just put here one line. It is similar to disjunction. Okay, again I'm telling. It is similar to disjunction, but with a slight difference or with a slight change. What is that? We will see in the next. See here, consider here truth table P. Just truth table I'll explain today with example. In next class I will be explaining. Okay. See here, P disjunction Q. Exclusive disjunction. Exclusive disjunction as usual 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, in disjunction what we used to do? 0 OR gate andre eno 0 1 1 1 anta baradidvi. Yes or no? In OR gate, if you remember the previous topic itself, we had written 0 1 1 1, but now the difference is, okay, but now the difference is everything is same. Okay, everything is same except the last. The exclusive disjunction says when any one of a supposition is true, the value is true. If both are true, this will not be true, this will be 0. The meaning is here, exclusive disjunction, it is similar to disjunction only, but it's slight change. When it will be true and when it will be false. It will be true, the exclusive disjunction will be true when both are 0 or when both are false, and it will be 0 when both are true. Remember, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change OR gate iga. This will be true when one of the proposition is true. If you remember, ಯಾವಾಗ Q ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಥವಾ P ಆದ್ರೂ true ಇದ್ರೆ it will be false. When both are true, it will be 0. When both are false, it will be 0. Remember, slight change. OR gate ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Yes or no? OR gate 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Whereas for exclusive disjunction, we need to put it as a 0, because here what we are excluding, this we are excluding here. This we are excluding. What we will do here, when both are 1 and 1, it will be 0. When both are 0 0, it will be 0. So exclusive disjunction It is a type of a logical connective which is similar to a disjunction or a OR gate, or with slight change. What is the change here? The value of this, that is P exclusive disjunction Q, will be true, okay, will be true when P or Q are true, but not P and Q at once. Remember, this will not be true when both are 1 and 1. It will be true when P is true or Q is true, but not both here, but not there. Remember this, everybody. I am going to repeat again. Exclusive disjunction, it is a type of disjunction andeni or where, okay, where either both are 0 or both are 1, the value will be 0. But here the value of this exclusive disjunction will be 1, okay, will be 1 when either P is true or either Q is true, but not both P and Q. When both P is Q and Q is also true, this will not be true. So when either, conjunction we used to use and, disjunction we used to use and, whereas here we will be using what? Either or, but not both. Okay, we'll be using what? Either or. Either andre ಏನು? Either P ಆದ್ರೂ true ಇರಬೇಕು, okay, either P ಆದ್ರೂ true ಇರಬೇಕು or Q ಆದ್ರೂ true ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಎರಡು true ಇದ್ರ ಇದು true ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ OR gate ಥರನೇ ಅದ, with the slight change. Okay, with the slight change. Either P will be either ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ and ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ or, whereas ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? either or but not both. But not both. Either or but not both. Either P will be true or Q will be true, but not both. ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗ P exclusive disjunction will be true. Otherwise it will not be true. Okay, so this is one of the truth table of exclusive disjunction similar to disjunction. ಇದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು next class will discuss in the next class. So okay, so in today's class what we have discussed basically about disjunction. Okay, disjunction is similar to OR gate. With example we had discussed, and even I had told you examples you can give on your own. ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, OR gate ಇದ್ರೆ OR gate ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ statements can be true or it can be false. True ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, false ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, propositions. Second point, exclusive disjunction ಓದಿವಿ ನಾವು. It is similar to the disjunction. Okay, it is similar to the disjunction, but here the case is the exclusive disjunction, P exclusive disjunction will be true when either P is true or Q is true, but not both one at the same time. ಎರಡು 1 ಇದ್ರೆ true ಅಂತ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ this is slight difference between our OR gate and our disjunction and exclusive disjunction. I think everybody has came to know what is about what is called as the exclusive disjunction and disjunction. This example in next class I will be discussing. Okay, whether this is followed, everybody followed this? Raise your hands. I think many of you have come now. Please maintain time. Otherwise, this subject will not be following. Definitely. Please come on time, everybody, from next class. You'll be in love, nobody else. Okay. So, this is what in conjunction and anta use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, disjunction ಈಗ or ಅಂತ use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Exclusive disjunction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Either or but not both. Either or but not both. So this is how it is one of the fourth logical connective. This example I'll be explaining next class. Okay, so for today it's enough. Okay, thank you.